Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to download and install Android Studio latest version. So open any browser like Chrome, Edge or Firefox and here type Android Studio. And guys, this is the official link developer.android.com. So just you have to click here. This is the first link, official link. Now here guys, you will see this interface. This is the latest version for Android Studio and it's the official site. So without any doubt or query, you can install it. Now here guys, you will see some options like Windows 64-bit, Windows Mac OS and Chrome OS. And it's the file size. So to download for Windows, you can use this one and it's recommended. So just click on this link guys, and it's about 988.6 MB, so it's about 1 GB. You will see this page. Check this box and click here. Now complete this downloading. It will take guys couple of minutes. So complete this installing, downloading and then install. And guys, if you're facing any problem to download, install or set up, so comment. I will create another video to complete guide how to download and how to set up. So in this video just I show you how to install. So thanks for watching guys. Comment this video useful for you or not.